Alright guys, here it is. Just did a quick change, see what's going on. I can't get this thing to stop shaking. It just won't stop shaking. I've dropped gains. I even went down to, it's a 550 blade machine. I went down to basically 500 size so I can get all of the preset gains down lower to see what happens. The heads has been new dampers all repacked. Bearings are triple checked that they're in correctly. Everything is mint. And you can see the swash is tilted again. This is that issue I've run into as well. It won't stop with active setup. I don't know if you can see that it's flashing red there, but it's staying in active setup even after Bluetooth is disconnected. And again, here's that swash tilt. Now I can muck around. I can play around with the cyclic, and it still goes to that decayed setting. There's a good shot of it right there. So I'm going to reboot and see what happens.